Good afternoon. My name is Cielo. I start public accounting in UNAD. Okay, effects of technology on the environment. Nature and technology. In my opinion, technology has now become very important because he is charge of making his life more pleasant as it evolves. That is why I believe that technology has advantages and disadvantages. I think that technology and nature can be together, but in a balanced way in terms of the damages that they can cause irreversibly. Positive. For me, the positive are the solar panels that don't know hold mass and the ease of living. I also think that electric cars work is being done to reduce the pollution produced by vehicles, making them more and more sustainable. I think that technology will only work if it was more for the environment than against. Negatives. I think technology is the main factor in global warming because it has caused high temperatures. The atmosphere cannot retain the overheating. I think that it can counteract more health problems in the future. Animals such as polar bears in the station and clocks of our planet. Due to the ecological damage, I reason that there should be a pause in terms of technology or lower the use of these. Future of the planet. I see the future from back to worse due to technological advances that have consequences that put humanity at risk since in cause nature disaster. It also affects the climate, which beings are exposed to the climate changes and heat temperature that confuse and in Grabando 10 to 9 between winter and summer. Is the use of technology is now transformed. The result will be worrisome because without bees and other culinary animals there is no life. The strategies are 1. No to deforestation. 2. Clean streets. 3. No plastic bags. 4. Control of company productions. the strategies. If the strategies apply, we will be able balance. Our souls and nature will thank us for it. Thank you.